One of the most important features of any shotgun is low recoil. The Extrema 2 has more recoil reducing features than any other gun on the market. I've tried all kinds of shotguns at one time or another, but none of them handle quite as well as the Extrema 2. It's smooth, quick, and natural pointing. All I can say about the Extrema 2 is you just have to shoot one to appreciate it. To me, accuracy is just as important with a shotgun as with a rifle. The Extrema 2's precision allows me pinpoint shot placement. I fired as many rounds in a single day through my Extrema 2 as most shotguns will see in a lifetime. In less than 5 months, I fired over 50,000 rounds through my Extrema 2 with very few failures. To me, that's reliability. There seems to be a lot of emphasis on how fast the shotgun can cycle. Whether it's 3 rounds or 12 rounds, I don't know of another shotgun that can match the speed of the Extrema 2.